Hello dear friends. Now you can see another selection of a massive product from Amazon. The link to the product is in the description box of the video. Subscribe to my channel and click on the bell buttons. So let's go. Top 5 Best Ice Crushing Blender Review. Number 1. VEVOR Ice Crushing Blender. The VEVOR Ice Crushing Blender is a multifunctional blender that not only blends delicious smoothies, milkshakes, margaritas and other drinks, but can also be used commercially in homes and offices. Measuring 10 by 9 by 19 inches, it is compact and space efficient. Using the pre-programmed settings, the blender can crush ice and fill in the glass all the way to the top. The rubber feet prevent the blender from slipping even on slippery surfaces. It can be operated using the convenient power button with the pulse function and through the controls. It comes with a manual setting as well. The blender has a lid for collecting the ice shavings and is provided with a spout for easy pouring. Number 2. Ninja Ice Crushing Blender. The Ninja Professional 72-Oz countertop blender with total crushing technology and 1000 watt base has 72 Oz. A blending power for a smooth experience. Personalize the blend to your preferences with 6 blending cycles and 3 blending modes. Featuring 1000 watts of power, the 72 Oz blending jar is designed with total crushing technology to pulverize ice into snow and frozen fruit into delicious smoothies. Enjoy blending straight from the refrigerator or freezer. The BL610 series features a touchpad with an easy pour spout to make creating and serving your favorite drinks a breeze. Choose from 5 pre-programmed blending cycles and 3 blending modes, including ice crush, frozen drink, smoothie and pulse. The BL610 operates quietly and boasts a sleek black design to match your kitchen decor. Number 3. MASTERCHEF Ice Crushing Blender. Taking the MASTERCHEF name to a whole new level, the MASTERCHEF Ice Crushing Blender takes pulverizing ice to new heights. Literally, it is a product that has been designed to blend to make you the best drinks at all times. Wherever you are, you can now cut all the mess and the effort of getting the perfect smoothie or fruit juice. With the MASTERCHEF Ice Crushing Blender, you have just to pour out the ingredients, keep pressing the button and enjoy the smoothie or fruit juice in seconds. Easy cleaning, easy preparation, perfect results. It doesn't get much better than that. Number 4. SYBO Ice Crushing Blender. It's the best blender for making frozen drinks. This powerful blender creates restaurant-quality frozen drinks and smoothies in your own home. It's a commercial model, which means it can withstand heavy use in a restaurant or bar, but it is just as perfect for your home bar or dorm room. Crush ice in seconds. Makes mixing a breeze with 3 different speed settings. Use the pulse feature when you need a quick chop. The blades are made of hardened steel and stay sharp even in heavy-duty use. It is super quiet, even on high speed. Cleaning is a cinch. It is self-cleaning and dishwasher safe. The blender is BPA-free. Number 5. Hamilton Beach Ice Crushing Blender. This blender is perfect for your morning smoothie. Drink a pretty green juice, whip up a seriously smooth gourmet milkshake or a delicious margarita. The Hamilton Beach Wave Action Blender for shakes and smoothies has the power, capacity, and the features to tackle your recipes. The wave action system pulses the mixture in and out of the blade to make quick work of even the toughest ingredients, like ice or frozen fruit. With 12 speed settings, you can choose the perfect one for your projects. The black and stainless design looks great in the kitchen, and you'll be the head of the party with a perfect pink strawberry and banana smoothie. Perfect for your next pool party. Thanks for watching my video.